guys, namaste, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kirti. Today in this video, we'll talk about how to get rid of pimple. Before that, please do subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed and hit that bell icon so that you won't miss any of my videos. If you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends and family because sharing is caring, guys. Please do share it. And yeah, without further wasting our time, let's get started. I think many people are searching for the product to get rid of pimple. And some people have tried all the products that is available in the market to get rid of pimple, but they are not getting any effective result. You have used iron products, you have used affordable products, but also you're not getting any effective result from the products. Then if you're seeing this video, please do see this video fully so that you'll get to know what are the steps that you need to follow to get rid of pimples. There are few steps that you need to do it on a daily basis and few steps that you need to do it twice in a week. Okay, but you should be consistent in doing that steps. If you do it once and if you think that, oh, nothing is working, chalo, we'll live off this. No, you need to be consistent. I promise you guys, if you do it regularly, you will get rid of pimple and also a dark spot. So do it regularly, you'll get an effective result. Neem is best known for its anti-aging properties. Due to its antioxidant properties, neem protects the skin from the harmful UV rays, pollution and other environmental factors. The vitamins and fatty acids in neem improves and maintain the elasticity of the skin, and it reduces wrinkles and fine lines and especially the pimple and pimple mark. Today in this video, we'll prepare a DIY neem face wash at home. To prepare that, you just need a neem leaf. Wash it properly with a water and just put that leaf in a grinder and just mix it. Add a little bit of water to get a smooth paste, neem paste, and just take a strainer and just strain it properly. You just need a neem juice from it. Strain it properly to get a neem juice from it. It should not be too watery also. It should be in this consistency. And I'm showing a pure soap for you. It is optional, guys. If you want a foaming effect to your face wash, just use a pure soap, or you can use a baby soap also if you want. Just take this neem juice in a bowl and add the soap base to it and just mix it. You need to mix it properly. The soap base has to melt with your neem juice, so mix it properly. After that, take a tablespoon of aloe vera gel and just mix it with this neem and soap base mixture, and then add that into a airtight container, and you are done. You have your DIY face wash with you. In this face wash, we have used a neem leaf. Neem is also beneficial in fighting against fungal infection. Its antifungal and antibacterial properties keep the harmful bacteria away. Thus, it protects the skin and keeps the skin related diseases away. And also we have added aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel moisturizes your face and also reduces a dark spot. Just use this face wash properly. Wash your face twice a day and get rid of all the pimples and pimple mark. Next step is toning your face. Toning is really very important because it maintains your pH balance. You can prepare a toner at your house, green tea toner. Just take a warm water, dip a tea bag into it, add a tablespoon of aloe vera gel to it, and you're done. You have your DIY green tea toner at your house. Just take a few drops of it and just pat it on your skin. Next step is you need to take a steam. For that, just boil a water and put turmeric. Turmeric helps you to reduce a dark spot. Next step is face mask. For that, you need neem powder, turmeric powder, sandalwood powder. take a tablespoon of neem powder, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric powder, you need to use a wild turmeric powder, not kitchen ka turmeric powder. Sandalwood powder is optional for you. If you don't have sandalwood powder, you can use besan, that is gram flour. If you have extremely dry skin, you add 1 spoon of honey to it and mix that properly with the help of milk and just apply that paste on your face. Neem helps to get rid of pimple. Turmeric helps to reduce the spots. Just apply it and start to massage it for 2 minutes and then leave it for 10 minutes. Let it dry. After that, massage it for 2 minutes and then wash it with a clean water. I promise you guys, it will give an effective result. Be consistent and use this. Next step is DIY night cream. For that, you just need 2 ingredients. One is aloe vera gel and one is wild turmeric powder. Wild turmeric powder is not kitchen ka turmeric powder. It has difference. Just take a tablespoon of aloe vera gel, add a pinch of turmeric to it and just mix it properly and you have your DIY night cream at your home. Massage that cream all over your face and also neck and just sleep off. I think you have seen the video fully. Now I will tell you what are the steps that you need to follow on a daily basis and what are the steps that you need to follow twice in a week. Step 1 is face wash. Of course, you need to wash your face regularly on a daily basis. Wash your face twice a day. Toner also, whenever you wash your face, apply a toner. Steaming is twice in a week. It is okay. Take steam twice in a week. Next step is applying a face mask. I think once in a week it is okay. If you are free, then apply a face pack twice in a week. Next step is night cream. Night cream, you need to use it regularly. Before going to bed, apply this and sleep off. Next morning, wash it with a face wash. That is DIY face wash. And yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like this video and share it with your friends and family because sharing is caring, guys. If you share this video, if they are suffering from the same problem, they'll get to know how to get rid of pimples and they'll thank you and also me. So share this video. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you won't miss any of my video. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye and take care.